start recording.
Howdy.
Hey, Carlos. I know who you are, man. You know I'll never talk to you. That's what you did with my mother. You worked for her campaign. Then you went ahead and while you're doing that, you work for Putnam. You're actually doing that. Man, I have no space for you in my life. You need to get the fuck out of here.
I mean,
Did you hear me? Now it's private property. I can kick you out of here. It's up to you, man. You better get out of here right now. If you fucking did, you're a horrible person. Get out of here.
okay.
Got it?
All right.
You know why, too? Because of you. Because of you.
When did she get dementia?
Right now, I'm about to kick your motherfucking ass. So get the fuck on my property. Got it? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I love private property. Get out of here. You too.